Oh, that is like velvet. It's so smooth. So putting nitrogen onto your tap system, it is as simple as buying a cylinder, a regulator, a tap. So this is a video all about nitrogen and how you, if you have a kegerator, can turn one of your taps into a nitrogen tap. So Guinness, Boddington's, Tetley's, Beamish, Murphy's, these are all beers that you know that are using nitrogen to create a certain experience for the drinker. One that you just can't deny is really enjoyable. It's smooth, it's got a creamy head on it, and that's because of nitrogen. Now, if you have a kegerator, you can put nitrogenated beverages on tap. So it's not just beer. If you're into cold brew coffee or espresso martinis, these drinks also utilize nitrogen to help smooth out the texture of the drink and create a fluffy, pillowy head that you can even float coffee beans on or just enjoy if it's a beer. It's amazing stuff. It doesn't have to be your entire kegerator that runs off it. It can just be one tap. And in order to be able to do that, you're going to need to switch out what is your CO2 regulator for what looks almost exactly the same as a nitrogen regulator. The difference is that the nut on these as a CO2 regulator are type 30 in Australia, and they're a bit smaller. The nitrogen regulator in Australia is type 50. The nitrogen cylinder we sell at Keg King is pure 100% nitrogen. Nitrogen's a little bit harder to get into beverages that you make yourself, like our Irish draft stout or this beautiful red beer that we now have on tap as well. So in order to do that, if you're a home brewer and you're using 19-liter kegs, one of the best ways to do this and get that nitrogen into your keg is to use a keg lid with its own gas post. Inside this Solstice fridge is a 19-liter keg with some of our new Irish red beer. This beer will be available pretty soon, and our Irish draft stout is also available already. With this, we've added a keg lid with a gas post here. This is a nitrogen cylinder, nitrogen regulator. This is the type of lid that has a long, thin tube going to the bottom where there's a saturation stone, a carbonation stone of 0.2 micron. What does that all mean? It just means that when the nitrogen gets put in here, it's actually saturating through the entire liquid, not just pushing down on the headspace. The last part of the puzzle when it comes to putting nitrogen on tap is the tap itself. Now, we can turn any ultra tap into a stout tap with just this nozzle. When you're pushing nitrogen, you see this. This is the restriction plate. It has 5 pinholes. So you're serving at 25 psi, everything's getting crunched through those little pinholes and repositioned again with a flow stream adapter inside this Stout Spout. So this is the difference. This is how we do this. There's already one hooked up to this. There is a delicious red beer, Irish red, on tap here. So the best type of nitrogen stout taps are the Martinus tap that we have from Ultra Tap here at Keg King. It's a side pouring tap that has the ability to change out the nozzle so you can put on a nitrogen stout spout and serve nitrogenated beverages like stout and like espresso martinis. Those can all be served with nitrogen, pure nitrogen, so you get a nice pillowy head, and it's a beautiful looking drink. So when you're using the Martinus, you can open this tap just like that. And if you want to, you can kind of crack it down just a bit too. You're in control when it's side pour. But the beauty is just in that lovely development of the clarity of the beer with the nitrogen pillowy head. What you don't get when you're using nitrogen is the carbonic acid from CO2. It adds bitterness, it adds a bit of tartness. When you're using nitrogen, you don't get carbonic acid. It's much smoother, the beverage is a bit softer. I won't say it's sweeter, but it is far creamier as a mouthfeel. And the bubbles being quite small mean that this beverage is just velvety, smooth. It's so easy to drink. Oh, this is the part that you can't actually share. This is why you need Nitro. So putting nitrogen onto your tap system It is as simple as buying a cylinder, a regulator, a tap. And if you wanted to make your own, that carbonation lid for the 19-liter keg. This is as easy as it gets when it comes to pouring. And the difference you're going to get, the drinking experience that you get when you start pouring with nitrogen is so nice. Having that as an option on one of your taps is very simple. So this is what you need for nitrogen in your kegerator system.